What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Experience recklessly fast, consistently reliable internet speeds on Chattanooga's only 100% fiber optic network. Learn more at epb.com.
That looming possible TikTok ban in the U.S. has millions of the social media site's users wondering what's next.
Well, TikTok's parent company has about 8 months to either find a buyer or shut the app down here in the U.S. Jamie Tucker has found an app that could be a solution.
Yeah, you might think that a lot of those TikTokers would go to Instagram Reels, but many of those creators say they're not entirely comfortable posting their TikTok videos to their personal Instagram page. So this app, Clapper, hopes to fill that void and be the next big thing.
Clapper, a Dallas-based smartphone app, looks, well, a lot like TikTok.
Hey, dog lovers, Echo here. Happy
Clapper's been around for a few years, but never caught on like TikTok. Few apps have. Lately, though, creators have been establishing themselves as Clapper stars in the event TikTok goes away. Like TikTok, an algorithm loads videos it thinks you'll like based on what you've liked before. There's a For You feed, one for creators you follow and a feed of creators nearby. There's also a feed for creators who are streaming live. Clapper is trying to attract TikTok creators by highlighting their channels and paying some pretty good money for the content. And as far as the content goes, it's very similar to what you see on TikTok. A lot of comedy and a lot of pranks. Clapper is adults only. You have to be at least 17 to use the app, so some of the content is not intended for children.
And Clapper has become one of the hot social media platforms, actually topping the charts in recent months. It could be where most of those TikTokers go to endlessly scroll. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Clapper is the app of the day.
All right, remember that name, Clapper, a free app for iPhone and Android devices. It already has over 500,000 daily users, and that number will surely grow.